The objective of this short video is to show you how to provide extra time to students with accommodations on a quiz or exam. So I have here a sample quiz, and this sample quiz has a time limit of 30 minutes. If I wanted to give extra time to one student versus all of my students, I would go to the Moderate This Quiz on the right side of your screen. When you click Moderate This Quiz, you'll have a list of all of your students here. For the sample, I am the only student. So it says on this quiz that everyone gets 30 minutes. I would like to give half of that an extra time. So the extra time will be 15 minutes. And I'll hit select save. So it'll say on the bottom, Alexa Skeetler gets 15 minutes extra on each attempt of the quiz.